Good morning. Today we're going to work on doing the x-rays for the vet centre. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, you're very welcome. So I'm just going to type in dog x-ray and then we'll see what comes up. There we go, dog x-ray. There we go. And I'm just going to go to images. So if you look up here, you can see there's all different things. So that's on all, but I'm going to go to images. Okay, and you'll get lots and lots of different images of x-rays of dogs, and you can just basically choose which one you want, and I chose that one, but you don't have to have that one. I thought that was just a nice one. It's got lots of bones and everything. And then all I did was I went here and onto my computer keypad, I just pressed here on the right side. Okay, and can you see this comes up? And I did copy image. Okay, and then I went into paint, and so I went in here on the computer and I went to this little board which says paste here. Okay, and I'm just going to press onto it. This is Microsoft Paint. I'm just going to press onto it, and there comes my image of my dog. Okay, now you can work out what size you want it to be, and by putting your finger, your mouse onto this piece here, you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. Okay, and then you can just go ahead and print that at the size you want it to be, and then you can go on and get any other x-ray you might want to get. As I say, I've just used these from the internet, so I can't give you these, but you can just go on there and choose any of your own x-rays you like and print it on your printer, and then you'll have your x-rays all ready to go. So I printed out all of my different pieces that I want to laminate. So I chose a dog, a rabbit, a bird, a fish and a tortoise. So I'm going to print all of those out. I printed them all out and then I cut them up with the guillotine, and all I'm going to do now is I went into Poundland and I bought some sheets of laminating paper. So all it is just a plastic sheet, and inside it's sticky. Okay, I'm just going to open that one up, and I'm going to just slide these pieces inside the laminating paper. They should all go in there because I did actually cut them in there. Now what you want to do is leave a piece at the top so that when you go you can, no you don't, not with this one, this is fine, you just do this like this, that's not a problem at all. Just slip them all in. They should all fit on that one piece of laminating paper like that. Fold them over, there you go, and I've got my laminating machine. Now you don't need one of these, I'll show you with the next one what you can do. So I've got it on and it got it hot. Right, now watch as you're going in, because can you see what's happened? This one is just moved a little bit, and sometimes that does happen, so make sure that nothing is moving as you put them in. And you might want to just hold it. Make sure that you've not gone and done what I've just done there, where I've put it in and I've not put it in the middle of the machine, so that will cause that to crinkle up. So just be careful of doing that. I'm just going to feed it all the way through. I'm going to probably get a crease on that one. I think these were 10 sheets for £1. Okay, so just run them all the way through. Just try now, because I didn't put it in straight, and you need to make sure you do put it in straight, otherwise you will get a crease on your actual piece of laminating paper, which I'm probably going to get here on the dog. I might have to do that one again. It's a good idea not to cut your laminating paper, because you want to make sure it goes in with this piece here at the end. You don't want, because otherwise you'll get glue inside your laminating machine and that won't work very well. Okay, I'll just pull that one out. As you can see, I'm going to have to do the dog again because it didn't lay flat. Alright, so I'll just print off another dog and then we'll go for it. Make sure when you put it in the middle. Don't put it in twice, because that's when you'll get your wrinkles and everything. Also, when you put it in, make sure you give yourself a space between where you can cut them out. So here is the x-ray which came with it, which was the cat. I'm just going to pop it in the rabbit. It isn't going to be as good as the cat one, but as you can see, it does come out quite nicely. Okay, so that is my x-rays which I've made up as well. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm quite pleased with it. Any comments you want to leave me, please do. Thank you very much. Goodbye.